I came into Ascension Episcopal in 8th grade, and then I played baseball and football mainly. In 8th grade year, I played with the varsity team. And then fast forward to freshman year, played freshman football, baseball, and then played that through my whole career. My first injury was the elbow. I'm pretty sure it was like maybe our 10th game in, something like that. And I was pitching, I was starting. And like I get to the 3rd inning, throw a fastball, and I felt like it strained and kind of like pop a little bit. So I like try to shake it off. Then I throw a curveball, and I felt it pop again, and then my hand went numb. Next day we get an MRI. Found out I broke it off the bone. After the MRI, I go see Dr. Seth, and he tells me I could either wait and have surgery or have surgery now and then be back for summer. And then I have surgery at the end of school, I think like a day after, like when school ends. And so I go through rehab all through summer, and until like, I think a week into school I'm still rehabbing, and then come back for football. And then I go through 2 weeks of football, everything's fine, everything's going great. And then our first game, I think my second play on defense, I shed a block, I go to make a tackle and we spin. I dislocate, separate my AC joint. I tear everything in there. Then I go see Dr. Seth, and he's like, you can't play at all. Like you need to have surgery now, or if you don't and you play on it, your collarbone's just gonna tear through your skin. You're not gonna be able to do anything. So he's like, you have to have surgery now so you could at least play baseball, play something. Baseball season starts coming up and I start being able to get there. I'm at 50%, 60, 70, 80 to 100. And then the season starts and I'm like full go, I can play. And then the season starts and I have the season I had. I think we went 26-7, something like that. That's what we did. And then I think I batted .440, 13 strikeouts, like 35 walks, like maybe 30 RBIs, maybe 29, something like that. I don't really know the exact. And then I get selected to go to the All-Star game for All-State. Then I win district MVP, we win district, and then I make the All-Region team for our region of Acadiana. Then so now I'm going to play baseball at BRCC. I think we move in, our fall ball starts August 10th. Dr. Seth, he was great. He was, he's always positive, always upbeat. He's always like, it's gonna be fine, like you're gonna be all right. You're gonna come back. And then he gave me more of like examples of like other guys he has. He was like, I have this dude, have this. And it was like, say he tore his UCL in half, like he didn't have one. So he had to replace the whole thing. And he's like, he came back and he threw in the big leads.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to watch more of my videos. If you have joint pain or a sports-related injury, I'm here to help. I want to help you live your life to its fullest.